Right.
How's it feel?
About halfway, a little over halfway.
Day 15?
Day 15. Yeah. So, birthday Chardonnay turned out okay.
It's okay. Yeah.
I liked it.
It was good for a Chardonnay. It was surprising. You know, we think Chardonnay and we think buttery, like oaky, heavy, and I thought it was the opposite of that. I thought it was enjoyable.
Yeah, it was good.
I was kind of shocked, kind of surprised.
So, I want a red next year for my birthday, but
not the ideal birthday wine, but it did
yeah.
the trick.
So we said red wine today.
Yeah.
You think I said South America? I think you agree.
I think so. Yeah.
Well, I'll let you do the honors and get into it.
Wouldn't you be damned if it's another Italian or French wine?
I'd be happy with that.
Day 15. Oh, I got my rosé.
Is it? Oh.
Flutter Rosé from France. The one day I didn't guess rosé. So.
The day after my birthday.
The days I don't guess rosé, they give us a rosé.
That's crazy.
I'm happy about it.
Yeah. What is
Something
it called?
different. So.
Flutter Rosé.
Yeah.
It's a cool
From
looking
France,
bottle.
so I think it's going to be a nice crisp rosé. I think we're going to like it.
Odd. A-U-D-E. Odd. France.
Odd.
Audi. Audi. Flutter Rosé. Okay, I'll open it up for us. Find my wine key. All right. Looks good. Flutter Rosé. For you first, my dear.
Thank you. It smells like a light crisp rosé.
Does it?
Yep.
It really does.
Sounds good.
I wonder if I don't know if I need to aggressively swirl
No, you don't.
my
It's probably
my
okay.
rosé.
Definitely not like a cab.
No. So a little bit of I think always strawberry.
Yeah.
Strawberry with rosé and
Usually.
very light, very does smell crisp.
It smells crisp, yeah. It's going to be a nice French rosé.
Like a whispering
I think
angel.
usually rosés in France come from Provence, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, a little bit different maybe. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh.
Good.
Yeah, very crisp. It's
Yeah.
very easy to drink.
Good.
I could. Ooh, I like it.
Nice and cold, yeah.
Yeah, if this was cold, not really a huge rosé fan, which is interesting. I've tried a couple that I really like. Oh, this is good, and I've tried a few that I do not like at all. You do get a lot of strawberry on the back end, though. All right. Oh, interesting.
What?
What do you think the blend on this is?
It's a nice pink color, so probably Grenache.
Uh huh.
Am I right?
Yeah.
Syrah?
No.
Oh, I don't even know if they make rosé out of Syrah grapes. Maybe.
There's only 2 grapes in here. It says.
Grenache, and I should know this. Pinot Noir.
No.
Oh.
Corignan. The one we looked up the other day.
Oh. Yeah.
Corignan or
Corignan. Yeah.
Corignan.
I don't know how to say it.
60% Grenache, 40% Corignan.
Usually this really like kind of pink color. I don't know if you can tell on camera.
Grenache.
Grenache.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get that pink color. But I'm surprised because it's nice. Usually Grenache makes it, how many percent Grenache?
60. Should be more red, right? Or
No,
darker?
I mean it's nice and pink, salmon colored, but usually it's a little bit more fruit, like
Yeah.
strawberry sweetness
Hmm.
versus like acidity. So it's
Sure.
nicely balanced.
Yeah, it is.
It's really
It's
good. Yeah.
This French rosé presents an intense nose characterized by vibrant red berries, fresh picked fruits. On the palate, it's full-bodied and flavorful with pronounced aromas of wild strawberries. The wine offers a refreshing finish and a delightful balance of intensity and elegance.
Yes.
I agree. 12.5%, so it's a lower volume alcohol by volume. 2024. So,
Nice.
yeah.
I really enjoy this.
Yeah. Flutter Rosé. Very nice.
Yeah, I would say this is, so we tried Dow rosé recently. I'd say it's very similar.
Yeah.
That has Grenache grapes in it too.
It's very tasty.
Yeah. So we've never heard of this region before. Odd.
Yeah.
I don't know how it's pronounced. Rosé wines from Odd IGP region of France are celebrated for their vibrant and refreshing character. Produced in the picturesque Odd department along the Mediterranean coast, these wines benefit from the region's diverse terroir and favorable climates. These rosés are typically crafted from a blend of Mediterranean grape varieties, including Granche, Corignan, and which contribute to their fruity and floral aromas. These wines strike a perfect balance between freshness and depth, offering delightful flavors of red berries and a crisp, clean finish. So, I agree with everything it says.
Yeah.
Nice, like, well-balanced, fruit forward, but it's crisp.
It is.
I guess the suggested pairings are seafood, salads, Mediterranean cuisines, poultry, and light pasta
They're
dishes.
very light foods.
Yeah.
Which makes
Fish,
sense with this,
like,
yeah. Certainly. This is it's a tasty wine. Again, I feel like white and or rosé, they're not something that like you're drinking to alter the flavor of what you're eating. It's always to enhance, or you know, it's something that can be drank by itself or with like a light food.
Agreed, yeah. And this wine, I think we've been saying with or without food. I think it could go both ways.
Yeah.
With
Agreed.
with food or without food.
Great. You want to rate it?
Sure.
I do have some paper for us. Ooh, nice bag.
Better not be looking at mine.
Oh, mine's upside down. Just kidding.
Oh.
We matched it.
Nice.
Again, I really like it.
I do too.
It's fun. It's easy to drink. We're gonna chill it obviously and try it again.
It's a really pretty
fall.
label too.
Yeah.
Sometimes when the labels are like really ornate and pretty, the wine's not that great. I feel like they're trying to hide, like,
Right.
you know, they're trying to make you buy it for the label or whatever. But this is a good wine, and it's a pretty bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
All right.
Yeah.
Well, tomorrow, we had a white and now a rosé, so the box is now off track again. So
maybe they kind of wanted you to think it was gonna go red, white, and then threw a curveball with the sake, right?
right. And now we're back. We
now
went
we're-
red, and now we're back to like, but now champagne, Chardonnay, and then a rosé.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's gonna be red.
Yeah, definitely a red. I'm feeling a red.
So
You're probably gonna be right with your prediction. But
at
I'm
some
gonna-
point, I will be right by saying
Did
I've red from
Did
South
we do
America.
Australia yet?
Yeah.
Red from Australia.
Yeah, we did have a red from Australia.
Okay.
You actually called. I feel like the day before we had it, you're like, I think I red from Australia, and then the next day was the day that we got it. So
We had a California red.
just one, the Zinfandel. Yeah. So, but it's still cool.
This is
that,
getting like down to the last
yeah.
2 weeks, so.
Well, and at the end, we're gonna pull all the wines out. We'll have them all lined up, and you know, we'll kind of go through our top 5
Yeah.
that we picked here. So we'll have to think back and remember what.
Well, we
Yeah,
can
obviously,
watch back and we'll see our ratings and
So,
see if it's changed at all. But yeah, we're definitely gonna be finishing this. We're gonna put it in the fridge.
yeah. Yep.
I think the only wine so far, which I'm really impressed that we've liked everything that we've tried, like it's been drinkable.
Yeah.
The only thing we didn't love was the sake and
And
that's-
sangria.
Yeah.
So-
Well, you really didn't like the sangria. I didn't mind it as much. So.
But to have a box that's this kind of spot on,
Yeah, and consistent,
and
right?
consistent,
Yeah.
like it makes finding your top 5 very difficult. So,
Cool.
but
All
we'll
right.
see everybody back
See you
here
tomorrow.
day 16 tomorrow. So see you then.
Cheers.
Bye. Cheers.